My name is John Sinke. I own the Budget Brake and Muffler on Westwood Street in Coquitlam. My father had the shop in Vancouver back in, I guess it would have been 1980, 81, and we opened this location in 1991. I love the social portion with my customers. Well, I've been here for 27 years. I've created quite a clientele base that I know them very well. Seeing the second generation, their children are now driving, which is really neat. I have 8 service bays, which is a good size shop. So we can get them in quick, get them out, and they're happy with that. It becomes a very easy thing to do for both of us, for them and I, to get them in and out in a timely fashion. Yeah, our shop offers full automotive service. Tune-ups, oil changes, brakes, mufflers, suspension, shock absorbers, check engine light repairs, part of diagnostic problems, ABS codes, things like that. We do turn cars out quickly, get you back on the road, get your kids to school, get your kids to hockey, right, those things. I think what gets our customers coming back is they trust us to have their cars serviced safely, efficiently, at a good price. They've been with us hopefully a while and have experienced something that was honest, a good direction on how to keep their car maintained for longevity, efficiency, and enjoyment. And they feel good about a purchase they made and are willing to come back and use us again. My crew has a lot of pride in what they do, and they love to see a car go back to the customer, and they'll wash it and vacuum it and give it back and says thank you to the customer for saying thank you for doing business with us. Just customer gets into a clean car and it feels good when they drive away.